What did I do? Mom will never forgive me. She is coming! Look at my super swing! 1, 2, smash! Oh no! Stop the ball! Grandma's favorite mug. It's gone!
Leo! What is this crash? My mother's last gift. You broke it?
I am sorry, Mom. It was an accident. I must fix this mess. Carefully, very carefully. Yes! I did it!
Oh, you rebuilt it?
Your hard work fixed my heart, Leo.
I love you, Mom. No more cricket inside. Honesty and hard work can fix any mistake. Subscribe for more beautiful stories.